Now see the true or false for the following statement. The battle of Chosa was fought between Babur and Sher Shah Suri. False, because it was fought between Humayun and Sher Shah Suri. Second है Jahangir discontinued the administrative system that was introduced by his father. False. Din-e-Ilahi was a socio-religious path started by Akbar. True. Humayun fell from the stairs of his library and died. True. Shah Jahan gave patronage to scholars, artisans and craftsmen. True. So students, here the end of the session. Now do the book work in the books and learn it also, and question answers in the notebook, and stick the map also in the notebook, and stick the pictures of all the Mughal emperors according to their series in your notebook, and learn it also. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe. Good morning students. How are you? Welcome in the SST class. Today we will do the book work, question answers and map work of the chapter 15, the Mughal Empire. First of all, see the book work. Tick the correct option. Humayun was defeated by Sher Shah Suri. Option A. Akbar's religious discussion took place at the Ibadat Khana. Option D. Third one, in which language did Babur write his autobiography Tuzke Babri? Turkish. Akbar ascended the throne at the age of 13. Students, some historians believe that at the age of 14 Akbar ascended the throne, but some historians believe that he ascended the throne at the age of 13. So 14 and 13, both the options are correct. The fifth, which one of the following statement is correct? Mughal Empire was founded by Babur. Option C. Philips. Behram Khan was Akbar's guardian. Peacock throne was made for Shah Jahan. Aurangzeb assumed the title of Alamgir. Bahadur Shah Zafar II was the last Mughal emperor. The Mansabdars were responsible for both civil and military administration. Now first of all see the question answers, and then we will do the rest of the book work. What was Din-e-Ilahi and who started it? Din-e-Ilahi was a socio-religious path to bridge the difference among the different communities. And who started it? Akbar started it. Second question, why is Shah Jahan known as an engineer king? Answer, as he had the knowledge of art and architecture and built Jama Masjid, Red Fort, Taj Mahal, etc. Third, what was the political condition of India before Babur's invasion? बेटा कि ना बिफोर में थोड़ा सा स्पेलिंग इसमें ई नहीं लिखा है, लिख लेना जरा बिफोर में. Babur's invasion, the India was divided into small states and they were incapable of standing in front of any foreign invasion. State the main features of Jahangir's rule. First point, he had a well-developed administrative system. Second, he maintained the culture of the court. Third, he was famous for his justice, so he set up a chain of justice with 60 bells attached to the fort of Agra and the other end to a stone on the bank of river Yamuna. Fourth, he had a keen interest in gardens and built Shalimar Garden. Fifth, the painting was at its zenith. Question number 5. Briefly explain the Mansabdari system. It was based on rank or position in the officials. Second, they were responsible for both civil and military administration. Now, see the long question answers. Mention the difficulties faced by Humayun after coming to the throne. वन फर्स्ट पॉइंट, ही गॉट द एम्प्टी ट्रेजरी. आपको पता ही है कि बाबर ने अपने नोबल्स को प्लीज करने के लिए जो है अपने ट्रेजर का जो है उन्होंने बांटना शुरू कर दिया था खजाने को. सेकेंड है, ही हैड टू फेस ऑपोजिशन फ्रॉम हिज ब्रदर्स रिलेटिव्स अफगान्स एंड राजपूत्स. थर्ड, ही लैक्ड द मिलिट्री एबिलिटी. Fourth, he was addicted to opium. Fifth, he multiplied his problems with his own police. Now see the second question. Compare the religious policy of Akbar with that of Aurangzeb. Akbar was not a staunch Muslim, but Aurangzeb was a staunch Muslim. As you know, and as you have already read, that Akbar always held a meeting in the Ibadat Khana. He set up an Ibadat Khana. And the second, Akbar had a religious tolerance, but Aurangzeb had not a religious tolerance. Third, he respected the scholars of other religions, but Aurangzeb did not give them respect. Now see the third question. Describe Shah Jahan's Deccan policy. The first point, the Mughals entered a new phase under Deccan policy. Second, he annexed Ahmednagar and Daulatabad. Third, he forced the rulers of Bijapur and Golconda to accept his power. Now, see the fourth question. Describe the uniform system of administration established by the Mughals. First point, to unite the country politically. Second, administration was a combination of Indian and Persian system. Third, a strong army, efficient ministers helped the emperors. Fourth, the Diwan was the collector of the land revenue. Fifth, the Kotwal looked after the law and order in the city. Now see the fifth question. List any 5 factors responsible for the decline of the Mughal Empire. I have already explained you about the decline of the Mughal Empire. The first one is the religious intolerance of Aurangzeb. Second, weak and inefficient successors of Aurangzeb. Third, corrupt officials. Fourth, heavy burden of land revenue. Fifth, bloody wars and conspiracies of nobles for succession, यानी कि खूनी लड़ाई, षड्यंत्र रचना गद्दी के लिए. Student, this is the complete. Here your answers are complete. Now see the map skill. कहते हैं on an outline map of India, locate and mark the following. The first है a famous battlefield where the Mughals defeated Hemu. कहाँ का है? पानीपत. The place where the Taj Mahal was built, आगरा. Capital of the Mughals क्या रही है? दिल्ली. Any 2 places conquered by Akbar, Bihar and Gujarat. Now something to do. क्या है? Big. Who am I? Identify. I was the great grandson of Taimur and descendant of Turkish ruler Genghis Khan. कौन थे? बाबर. Second, I defeated my son Khusro at the battle of Bharawal, Jahangir. Third, I re-established the Mughal Empire after a gap of 15 years, Humayun. Due to my short-sighted policies, the vast Mughal Empire went out of my grip, Aurangzeb. My son imprisoned me and I died in captivity in 1666, Shah Jahan. But I already told you about the map work. First of all, the battlefield, Mughal, Panipat, Agra, Delhi and Bihar and Gujarat. Now see this. First one क्या है? आपका क्वेश्चन क्या है? The famous battlefield where the Mughals defeated Hemu क्या है? पानीपत. See this. Here is Panipat, and then the place where Taj Mahal was built, Agra. It is in the Uttar Pradesh. And the capitals of the Mughal, ये short आपने ये देखो rectangular एक बना हुआ है point, इस ये क्या है? दिल्ली. And then the capital, any 2 places conquered by Akbar, Gujarat and Bihar. ये देखो गुजरात और ये क्या है? बिहार. Now again, now see the true and false. The first one is